guys, we're going to look at our first video on categorical and numerical data. So what we first need to know is what is data, and data is a collection of information which measures a group of objects. Basically, one variable data means that we're measuring or we're counting one thing. So it's important to remember that it's a collection of information, okay? And we sort data into two categories, and those two categories are categorical data and numerical data, okay? So first off, categorical data are basically is a list of information that can be sorted into groups. Sorted into groups or categories. Categorical categories. Okay. So generally you can think like if it's an observation of the senses. So like you have to think about what kind of questions they're asking you. So what is your sex? What is your eye color? What is your favorite color? These all would give you an answer. So like, what is your favorite color? Would be like yellow, green, purple. Okay, so what kind of answers would you give? Well, they'd be categories, not numbers. All right, so what types of graphs do we use to illustrate one variable categorical data? The types of graphs we use are bar charts or bar graphs, either vertical or horizontal, or a pie chart. A pie chart takes a little bit of math to interpret it. The second type of category that we have is numerical data. So numerical data is a list of values or observations that can be measured. So think about like your height, for example. If you say, what is your height? We would say something like 60 inches or 62 inches or 66 inches. Okay. What is your arm span? Actually, it should be really close to your height. What is your weight? How many pets do you have? All of these questions you would answer with a number. Okay. Now, it's really important to remember that not all answers that are numbers are actually going to be numerical data, but it's a good place to start. Okay. So what types of graphs do we use to illustrate numerical data? We use histograms. We can use pie charts, but, I spelled that wrong. But generally we use a histogram. Okay. So which of these are categorical or numerical? What I want you to do is sort them, and we're going to pause the video, and then you're going to check afterwards. So the amount of money earned last week. So think about it as a question. How much money did you earn last week? What kind of responses would you get? Well, it'd be number. So amount of money earned is numerical. Your birth date. What is your birth date? Yeah, that's like February 20th, or March 17th, or 3/17. These are numbers, but this is actually categorical. Are you actually measuring anything? No. Okay. So favorite sport. That is categorical. Foot length, measuring, numerical. Zip code. Zip code's a number, but are you actually measuring anything? No, that's categorical. Hours you slept last night. We're measuring, so that would be categorical, or sorry, numerical. State you live in, categorical. Travel method to school, categorical. Travel time, that's a measurement. Number of absences. We're measuring, counting the number of absences. So if we ask that one as a question, how many absences did you have last week? We would say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully you had 0. All right, so why is some data that looks like numbers, why is it actually categorical? And it's because they are not units of measure. So we're not measuring anything. The numbers are just labels. So that's just like labeling a topic. Okay, and that's our first video for the year.